Here's what's wrong with your skincare routine. A lot of skincare routines are a mess because people don't really understand what the ingredients are, the order to use them in, how often to use them in, and also what you need to do as a follow-up. So for example, if you're using a skincare routine that you start with a beta hydroxy acid, then you're going to use a retinol, and then you use an azelaic acid, those are 3 exfoliating acids or cell turnover acids all in a row, and there is no buffer there. There is no ceramide, there is no probiotic, there is no hyaluronate, there is nothing there to actually mitigate or slow down the activity of these very aggressive acids. So one part that's wrong with the skincare routine, using too much, not knowing what the ingredients are, and not actually backing off on the high performance ingredients and protecting your skin and allowing it to absorb it slowly and be hydrated and protected at the end.